recording.
A two-step, a two-step. There go the two-step, there go the two-step, there go the two-step, there go the two-step. Now get jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it. There go the two-step, way two-step, that came two-step, like that two-step. Me get it.
You can actually hear me two-stepping while I'm recording this, you know that. This is the remix. You know my bankroll. Got a lot of zeros. Teddy Payne. The Tallahassee hero. I done got a crib. Now I'm in the A. Two-stepping, let me show you how I do this thing. Take your left foot, put it out in the front and do it like this. Now if you look around the club, you would notice can't nobody do it quite.
MixtapeRadio.net.
Now walk it out, walk it out, now walk it out.
Southern style DJ. DJ Munch on the track. DJ On.
Walk it out.
We at it again, baby. And here we go.
Now walk it out, walk it out, now walk it out, walk it out, now 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 west side walk it out, south side walk it out, east side walk it out, north side walk it out. Now hit the dance floor, hey, bend your back low. She do it with no hands. Now stop, pop and roll. I'm smoking bubble hoe. Yeah, they in trouble hoe. I like the way she moves. An undercover hoe. Now everybody leaning. I make the crowd rock. Now go and walk it out.
Is it got buzz?
She had an apple bottom, skinny waist, shit them buzz all in my face. 5'6", super free. Tell all the homies that she got
Buns,
I like big buns and I can't not lie. So if you got something I see you walk by, I'ma get up, tap you, say hi. Take you to my room, tap you, then bye. No, I'm just playing. You still got buns, but your friend need to stop cause she ain't got none. I like my buns fatty and juicy. I don't want no saggy booty. Tryna do me, nah, you can stop. I ain't touching none unless a booty pop. Got a milli like Wayne cause I handle cake. If you ain't got money, better fly that away. Tell Wolfpack that the chick need to change. Booty bounce proper, my chick bounce lame. It keeps going, got too much fuel.
Calvin Miller production. Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. Once you pop, pop, lock it for me, girl, get low. If your mama gave it to your baby girl, let it show. Once you pop, lock, drop it for me, maybe we could roll. Oh!
Pop, lock, and drop it. 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 Pop, lock, and drop it.
Tonight ain't gonna be some changes, no acting sedity, so stop acting and get it clapping, cause I'm knowing you feel me, yeah, you cute, but don't let that shit go to your head, cause with this cutie don't do pimping, another one will.
I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Don't be frontin', son, no seeds on the bun. We be up in the drive-through, order for two. I got the craving for a number 9, lock my shoe. We need some chicken up in here, in this sizzle. Or rizzle my mizzle, extra salt.
Hello guys, this is Cookie, Mia,
This is Daisy.
and this was just a first video for us, scary stuff, but if you liked it, subscribe to us, please, subscribe.
And send us video requests so we have more ideas.
Add us on Facebook, it should be on the next slide, and that's about it, right?
Yeah, that's about it.
Deuces!
Bye.